In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get page ID in Notion. This is useful whenever you are connecting Notion to an integration, writing scripts, or troubleshooting links. The page 499 is the unique identifier that Notion uses behind the scenes, and it's easy to grab once you know where to look. First, open the page in the Notion desktop application. Make sure you are on the exact page whose 499 you want, not just hovering over it in a database preview. If the page opens inside a database, click into it so it fills the main window. The 499 you'll copy is specific to this page, so being on the correct one matters. Next, go to the Share menu. You'll find it at the top right of the Notion window. Depending on your version, it may appear as the word Share or as an icon. Sometimes it's tucked behind the three dots menu in that corner. Open that menu so you can access the link options for this page. From the Share options, choose Copy Link. You don't need to change any sharing settings to do this. Clicking Copy Link simply places the complete URL to this page on your clipboard. And that URL contains the page's unique 499. Now, paste that link into a plain text editor, like Notepad or your Notes app. Using a text editor helps you see the entire URL without it getting shortened or formatted. Once it's pasted, you'll be able to clearly inspect the structure of the link. Finally, extract the 32-character 499 string from the end of the URL. In most Notion links, you'll see the page title followed by a dash and then a long string of characters. That long string is the 499. Sometimes it's shown with dashes, like a UUID, and sometimes it's a continuous string. Either way, the underlying 499 is 32 hexadecimal characters. If your link shows dashes, you can remove them to get the 32-character version. If T here is anything after a question mark like extra parameters, ignore those. Focus on the last part of the URL that represents the page itself, and copy that exact 32-character sequence. That's the page 499 you'll use for APIs, integrations, or documentation. A quick recap. Open the page in the Notion desktop app. Open the Share menu, select Copy Link, paste the link into a text editor, and then grab the 32-character 499 at the end of the URL. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching.